Hi everyone, this is Cindy from Jevons Property Management. Today we are at 211 S Naches Avenue, apartment number 302. It is on the 3rd floor. It has a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom. I will show you more of the outside towards the end of the video. First I want to show you the unit. Once again, this is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom. Address is 211 S Naches Avenue, number 302 in Yakima. It is on the 3rd floor. This is a window to the living room. Kitchen / dining room. Your appliances. We have a dishwasher in here. That door leads us to the bedroom. The bedroom has access to the bathroom, in which we will go here in a second. First, I want to show you the closet. Bathroom. A little glimpse of the bedroom again as I go into the bathroom. We do have a tub with a shower, of course. Here's the cool part. It has a door with a little hallway. That goes into the living room. Sorry about that. You have your own little secret hallway there. Once again, this is 211 S Naches Avenue in Yakima, apartment number 302. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. It is on the 3rd floor. There's side street parking. I'll show you a little bit more of the outdoors here in a second. Now this apartment complex does not have an elevator, so keep in mind there is some stairs to walk. It is on the 3rd floor. Okay, I'm going to take you all downstairs. After going down the stairs to 1st floor, we have to go through the front door, entrance door, which if only you reside here, you have a key for it. Once again, this is 211 S Naches, apartment number 302, which is the one that you just seen. It is here on Yakima. There's a little bit of the neighborhood. As you can tell, there's side street parking. Now, if you have any questions about this property, you can always go to our website at www.jevonsproperties.com, or just simply call the phone number that is listed in our video, 509-314-4477. We had some tenants come out. As you can see, the door shuts on its own. You only have access to that if you live here. Well, there you have it, folks. Once again, if you have any questions, 519-314-4477. They are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You have a beautiful day. Thank you.